I am back from the dead, from my long day yesterday of wasting my day in ER and accomplishing nothing and not finding out anything what's wrong with me. Other than that I have small kidney stones. That shouldn't bother me. So eventually I hope I find out what this plague is I have on occasion. But doesn't matter because I feel great today. It's a beautiful day. And look who's driving. Oh yeah, he's the man. He's driving all the way from home. And look who's here. Roy boy.
Yeah, little man is in danger.
Little man is not in danger. You're doing very good. Mom is proud of you. So, in their math for their final tomorrow. So, he wanted to go for the review. So, I thought it'd be a perfect day for him to drive because the traffic isn't that bad. So, I'll be back to you guys later. Have a great day. See ya. That went good, guys. I just saw this car I wanted to show you. Oh, is it for sale? If it wasn't yellow. I don't know. I don't think it's for sale. Isn't that wild looking? I love the old Cadillacs. I've always wanted a 58 Biarritz convertible. I thought that would be like the coolest car ever. So, I'm going to drive back to Sarasota. Storm's got his review. So, we'll be back at you later. So, here it is, guys. A car hit this, and now it's back. Isn't it cool? So, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And we're on our way home now. Storm was going to go get some stuff for his critters, but every place is closed. So, off we go. Here's another view for you. It's really detailed. If we go around here, you can see that there's just a lot more detail than I guess I ever saw on this before. So, hope you enjoyed it. But it's been gone a while now because, like I said, it was what a beautiful day we're having. I'm in short sleeves and sandals, and here's another view of the statue. It's down by Marina Jacks if anybody wanted to know, and it's called Unconditional Surrender. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll always try to find new and exciting things to show you. But I'm enjoying today because I'm not sitting in ER bored out of my gourd, and I feel 100% good. So that makes me real happy. Hey, Storm! For those that don't know me well, I love plants. And today when I went to pick up Storm at college, there was this empty office building. And it was up for auction, and they had all these plumerias. And I picked a bunch because they were going to cut them down anyway. They were over the driveway. And I noticed this one's blooming. It's got such a beautiful flavor or smell. Or fragrance. Oh boy, I'm doing good tonight. And then over here, these are all the other starts I got. Look, that one's shooting the bloom head up. So basically, I'm going to cut these again, and then I'm going to go and get some potting soil. So that's pretty cool. And then we're down to barely any bananas. I gave them a bunch to my neighbors. Because, oh look, I even have more here. I forgot. Here's some more plumeria cuttings. So I got to cut them off even because I didn't have my clippers when I decided to do this today. So that's what I wanted to share with you today or tonight, and I hope you're having a good one. I'm doing some steaks on the Barbie, and then I'm going to do some cleaning. Got to catch up from being sick. What is going on in here? What is going on in here? You spending time with your little man? Hi, Roy. Is he molesting you? He says, I love my boy.
That good little boy.
Aw.
That good little boy.
So Roy ate my steak off my plate. So I went to get a new steak, and he won't let me out of the kitchen. Look, I'm just like stuck here. Oh, no, it's mine. Back off. Are you done? Roy, you're not getting any more steak.
Oh, you want a goodie? Oh, you want a goodie?
He stole two. Now get,
Oh,
Roy.
you
We've
want
had it.
goodies? He wants a goodie. Oh, look at all good. Oh, looky down there.
You better get out of here.
You want it? You want some of it?
Get.
You get in it. Get in it.
Come on, everybody get out. I'm sick of this. Roy! Storm! I'm gonna kick you in the nuts, Storm. I'm gonna kick you in the nuts. It's coming. It's coming. You sick monkey. You're a sick monkey. Really? This is so going on YouTube. You sick monkey. Come on, Roy, shove off. Shove off. All he wants to do is make you go nuts.
You did it, boy.
Go away!
Give me that.
Will you go away? I'm sick of it, Storm. Tell him to go away, guys. He's annoying me.
Suck it.
I'm gonna kick you. I'm gonna kick you.
Go.
You kick me again, I swear my foot's gonna go so far up your ass, it's gonna come out your mouth. Get! That nasty face, look at that little bloodshot eyes. You match your shirt. Storm, I'm gonna glue your balls to your butt, I swear to God. You better not go to sleep tonight, because I have had it. Storm, you're a sick one. Get out of here. Just go away. Somebody likes his banana. Look at him eat his banana. You like your banana? Do you like that? And Mama grew it. Yummy, Babaloo. Enjoy. Oh, Snooky's hitting the banana. Yeah. Oh, look like Cha-Cha had some. Look at her little beak covered with banana. You got banana on you too? Tootsie, are you done eating your banana? Ooh, look at Snooky Doodle. Snooky loves her banana. Ooh, Snooky's doing work. Yes, you are. Eat your banana. Yes, we love you, Snookums. We love you, Snooky Doodle. Say woo, 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 woo. Mwah. And the only one that doesn't seem to like the banana is Sweet Pea. Don't you like that banana? Babaloo, you're so funny the way you hold it. Yeah, you love your banana. Babaloo's on his second banana. But they're not real big. They're about the half size of the ones you buy. You liking that, aren't you? Give me my nanas. I'm glad you like it, Babaloo. I hope you guys had a great day. Not much of a sunset tonight. I'm feeling much better. Enjoying, oh, look at him fly away. It's funny how they all know when the sun starts going down, it's time to go roost somewhere. Yeah, there's been some beautiful flocks going over, but I missed them. So hope you had a great day, and I'll check back with you guys later. A tad more color now, but not a lot. I just done giving my neighbors bananas. So, going back home now, guys.